Coffee and some lemonade if anyone wants it.
Coffee looks like that's ready. I'll have a little bit.
When I was little, my mom would put hard-boiled eggs in my pocket so that when I went to school they would be warm and I could keep my fingers warm with them, and then when it got to be lunchtime at school, I just ate the eggs.
It must be coming in the year of jubilee.
Nice playing, Pard. Well done.
Quartermaster for the 3rd Minnesota Historic Arms Collection. Both of these are Springfield muskets, 58 caliber. This is my French Belgian, 69 caliber. This is my Springfield 1816, 69 caliber. And this is my Austrian Lorenz of 58 caliber, or 54 caliber. And this is my Potsdam musket.
Yeah, Quartermaster, I'm seeing the difference right between the 58s and also you said the 69s or 71s?
69s. This is 54 and this is 71. Cavalry Spencer carbine, holds 7 rounds from 1865.
Lamat here. I think this is a 44 cal plus the 410 equivalent shotgun.